I can't believe I did that. I sent it. I actually sent it. I actually sent it. No. No, 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 no. Oh my God. He read it. He read it. My name is Ronnie, and I messed up today. I messed up really badly. But let me start from the beginning. It was a normal Monday morning. I got to the office at 8:45. I made my coffee. I sat down. I opened my laptop. Normal. My coworker Lisa was already there. She looked tired. Lisa? Lisa, are you okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. Just a long weekend. My boss, Mr. Park, gave us a lot of work. I know. He emailed me too. That report is so much work. I really agree with you. It was a lot of writing. My back hurt. My eyes were tired. I was really frustrated. I wanted to text my friend Jess. Jess always listens to me. She always makes me feel better. I opened my phone and started typing. Ugh, this report is so boring. Mr. Park always gives us too much work. He never says thank you. I'm so tired of this, honestly. I pressed send. I put my phone down. I drank my coffee. Then I looked at my phone again. My heart stopped. I didn't send it to Jess. I sent it to Mr. Park. I sent my complaint directly to my boss. Oh no. I felt sick. My hands were shaking. I looked at the message again. Yes, it was there, in Mr. Park's chat. He never says thank you. I'm so tired. His name was right there at the top. I grabbed my phone. Can you delete a sent message? No. No. You can't take it back. The message was already there. Oh, I started to panic. What do I do? What do I do? I put my phone face down on the desk. Maybe he didn't see it. Maybe he was in a meeting. Lisa, I did something really bad. I sent a message by accident. What kind of message? Now, I complained about Mr. Park. I sent it to Mr. Park. Ronnie? Ronnie. No. No. Oh my God. What are you gonna do? I don't know. I'm so embarrassed. Did he read it? I think so. There's a read mark. Okay. Okay, just calm down. think. I walked to the bathroom. I looked at myself in the mirror. Okay, Ronnie. Calm down. Breathe. You can't take it back. That's true. But you can choose how to respond. That's also true. I thought about it. Option 1, do nothing. Pretend it didn't happen. Option 2, say something. Be honest. Pretending. Pretending felt worse. I walked back to my desk. I picked up my phone. I typed a new message to Mr. Park. Mr. Park, I'm really sorry about that message. I sent it by accident. It was for my friend. I should not have said those things. I was tired and I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. I pressed send. I waited. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Nothing. Then my computer made a sound. It was an email. From Mr. Park. Ronnie, please come to my office. My stomach dropped. I stood up slowly. Thanks. Thanks. I'll need it. I knocked on his door.
Come in.
I walked in. He was at his desk. He looked up at me. He didn't smile.
Ronnie.
I read your message. Yes. Yes. I know. I know. I'm really sorry.
That message was not professional. Not professional.
I understand. I messed up.
Why did you send it to me?
It was by accident. I'm so embarrassed. I was texting my friend. I sent it to the wrong person. Mr. Park was quiet for a moment. He looked at his computer screen. Then he looked back at me.
I won't say it was okay. It wasn't. It wasn't. But I appreciate that you apologized. Most people would just say nothing. That was the right thing to do.
Thank you, Mr. Park. I mean it.
I do give a lot of work sometimes. Maybe I should say thank you more.
That means a lot to me. Thank you.
Okay, you can go back to your desk. I'll try to do better too.
Thank you, Mr. Park. Really.
And you, Ronnie?
Yes, Mr. Park?
Be more careful with your phone.
I will. I promise. What happened? Are you okay? I think it's okay. He was understanding. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. I was so worried. Me too. I was so embarrassed. But it worked out. Mostly. I sat down at my desk. I took a long breath. I looked at my coffee. Cold now. I didn't care. I was just relieved. Today I messed up really badly. I sent the wrong message to the wrong person. I couldn't take it back. I was embarrassed, and I wanted to hide. But I didn't. I figured it out. I chose to respond instead of pretend. And honestly, that changed everything. You can't always undo a mistake, but you can always choose how to respond. That's what I learned today. I was so panicked. I really messed up. I sent that message by accident and I couldn't take it back. It felt so awkward. I was so embarrassed. But I figured it out. I stayed calm, I chose to respond. And that made all the difference. Have you ever sent a message to the wrong person? What did you do? Tell me in the comments.